SpaceX's Starlink will formally be launched in the Philippines this month, making the country the first Asian nation to have a full coverage of the low Earth orbit satellite broadband internet service. Jillian Geronimo tells us more.
The Philippines is the first country in Asia to have 100% Starlink coverage. This is the low Earth orbit satellite broadband internet service of SpaceX that can provide internet connectivity to far-flung areas. Its Earth stations will formally be inaugurated this March, according to the Department of Information and Communications Technology.
Malakas ang loob ng Starlink at ng SpaceX na ang Pilipinas ang gagawin nilang ehemplo sa buong mundo kung paano gamitin ang kanilang teknolohiya upang mapaunlad at ma-connect ang ating mga liblibang lugar.
Subscription to Starlink costs 2,700 pesos